Just put salt on your feet and wait. What happens next might surprise you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple homemade remedy that many people have forgotten. But once you try it, you might never go back to expensive creams again. This trick was shared by a woman from the countryside. After a long day of cleaning, washing, and taking care of her home, this was her secret to soft, pain-free feet. Let's start step by step. First, take a basin. Add about 1 liter of hot water. Now, because it's too hot, mix in half a liter of cold water to make it comfortable for your feet. Now, here's where things get interesting. Now, squeeze in fresh lemon juice and also drop in a few lemon slices. Lemon is packed with vitamin C. It helps lighten dark areas, fights bacteria, and gives your skin a fresh, clean feeling. The slices slowly release natural oils into the water, making the effect even stronger. Add a little water and mix it into a smooth paste. Now keep this aside. We'll use it in a moment. Back to our basin. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt is not just for taste. It's a natural detox ingredient. It helps reduce swelling, pulls out toxins, and relaxes tired muscles. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps fight hidden infections, especially those that cause itching or bad odor. Now comes something many people don't expect. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil deeply moisturizes your skin, softens rough areas, and helps heal cracks faster. Now mix everything well. At this point, your mixture is ready. Now place your feet into the basin, sit back, relax, and leave them in for about 20 minutes. Feel that? Your body starts to relax. The warm water opens your pores. Salt reduces swelling. Vinegar fights bacteria. Olive oil hydrates deeply. And lemon refreshes your skin. But here's the real question. Why does this simple trick work so well? Because it targets the root problems: dryness, cracks, hard skin, and even hidden fungus under your nails. Many people ignore these issues until they feel pain. But this simple routine can help prevent all of that. After 20 minutes, take your feet out. Gently scrub them and rinse with clean water. You'll instantly feel the difference. Softer skin, cleaner feet, and a refreshing sensation you didn't expect. If you do this twice a week, you can say goodbye to rough, dry feet and discomfort. So tonight, give it a try. And when you see the results, come back and tell me in the comments. And if you know someone who suffers from cracked feet, share this with them. They'll thank you later. After soaking your feet for about 20 minutes, take them out of the basin and gently scrub away any loosened, dead skin. You can use your hands or a soft brush, focusing especially on dry and cracked areas like the heels. Now rinse your feet with clean water and pat them dry with a towel. Make sure your feet are completely dry, especially between the toes, because moisture left there can sometimes lead to irritation. At this point, your skin is soft, clean, and ready to absorb moisture deeply. Take any foot cream or moisturizer you have at home. It doesn't have to be expensive, and even a simple cream works perfectly. Apply a generous amount and gently massage your feet for a few minutes. Focus on the heels, soles, and any rough areas. This massage helps improve blood circulation and allows the cream to penetrate deeper into the skin. This final step is very important because it locks in all the hydration from the soak and keeps your feet soft, smooth, and healthy for a longer time. For even better results, you can wear socks after applying the cream and leave them on overnight. Do this regularly and you'll notice a big difference in how your feet look and feel.